I was born with bilateral hearing loss. Off the field, my implant helps. When I'm out here, I wear headgear to protect my implant, but it means sound can't reach it. Everything changes. I can't hear anything.
When Colgate came to us with Jamie's story, we knew we had to help. And after talking to her, we knew exactly how we could. Traditional headgear is designed to sit flush against the head to protect the wearer. It's very close and tight-fitting. We had to redesign the headgear to make space underneath so sound waves could reach the implant while providing a layer of protection. The lines on hear gear represent sound that is now being channeled towards the ear.
When I put hear gear on, it was like I was playing AFL again for the first time.
Yeah, Jamie. Yep.
Being able to hear the game is one thing, but hearing the voices of my team, the people that have always supported me, makes all the difference in the world.